Hello friends, today we're discussing how to verify Google My Business without video. So if you need to verify your business profile and don't want to use video verification, I'll show you the alternatives. Okay, you can just start by signing in at business.google.com. As you can see, I'm already signed in. Also, I've verified, but we'll talk about this next. So Google will automatically suggest the verification options available for your account and region. So one common option is postcard verification. Google will mail a postcard to your business address with a code, usually arriving in 5 to 14 days. Once it arrives, just enter the code in your business profile to complete verification. So as you can see, I've made my business. It says that I'm verified. Let's see what it says next. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, so as you can see, guys, my business is already available. This is, pretty much the business up there. All the information is shown. I'm just not going to show it for privacy purposes, but at the very top, there's, how there's a certain business, there's a location on the map, the business's name, etc. So I've already got that. So pretty much, I did not actually have to perform any kind of video verification for some reason. I'm not sure why. I'm guessing it's because of either the fact that my profile is verified, so I have my Google account that is verified with a phone number. So pretty much I just recommend you to do that as well. So just add a phone number, now proceed with the security settings, add two-factor authentication, add some kind of authenticator, now make sure that everything is correct, make sure that you have a backup phone number, backup email, and they probably won't ask for video verification in that case. So also in some cases, you may see phone or SMS verification. Google will send a code directly to your business phone number. Enter that code into your profile to finish verification. This is often way faster than waiting for a postcard. And the more usual verification methods are the ones that are just email verification. So they just send you the code to your email. You send it you input it in your business to verify, and you're done. So guys, in general, if you don't want to use a video verification, one of these methods should really help you out. So enjoy, guys. If this helps, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.